Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, this is some Farkleberry. You can see the little green berries on there. And it is sort of our native species of blueberry. And I think this one here that's been pushed over and looks dead is a Farkleberry also. So let's go ahead and take my Victorinox Fieldmaster and see if we can make a bow drill friction fire out of that Farkleberry. It's still very green, so I'll go ahead and make the fireboard. We'll just have to let it dry out in the back glass of the Camry for a couple of days. To be continued in about 2 or 3 days. All right, if you want to see some great tutorials on bow drill, check out my bow drill playlist at the end of this video and in the description. I also have a Victorinox Fieldmaster playlist. Check it out also. Farkleberry on Farkleberry, Pine Needles Tinder Bundle, Fatwood Bearing Block. Let's do our burn in. I'll go cut the notch, hold on. There are no quiet times here in the neighborhood. Trash trucks pulling down the road. We've got 2 other trucks working the telephone poles. We'll just carry on. Let's give it a try. Let's carry on. Oh, it went back out, so there's still moisture in it. Let's keep going with it. Went back out. We might have it this time. Wow. 3 tries. I think it'll do better after it dries out more. I probably should have given it 3 days drying time like I was thinking. Look at where all that dust outlined that fireboard. We'll use it again in the future. It did all right. That's the bearing block end and the hot end. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.